In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your music on hold using the admin Commportal. Once you're logged into the admin Commportal, please click on the Music on Hold option in the left blue toolbar. Once you click that option, you will have another page opens that you can program the Music on Hold system. Initially, you're going to set up your default, which is going to be the Music on Hold for the entire business group. To set that up, you're going to click the Override option to the right of the screen, and you'll choose an initial resource. We do have two options preloaded for you to choose from. Those are listed here. For this video, I'm going to choose the 3.5 minute option. After the initial resource, you will need to choose a follow-up resource to play in case this 3.5 minutes runs out. I'm going to choose the same message so it will continue playing in a loop. Click Save. If you choose to upload a custom Music on Hold option, you'll click in the Resources tab up to the top. You'll notice here that they are labeled by ID and description. So for this situation, I'm going to label the next one 12 and description of promotion. I will then choose a file from my desktop. For this situation, I'm going to choose Second Look and add. It will take a minute for this file to upload, so please be patient. And now we have that loaded here. I'm going to go back to my Mappings tab and update the default with my new Promotions Music on Hold. I will click the Edit option. In my drop-down arrow, I will choose my Promotions and my follow-up resource and save. You do have the option here at the bottom to customize the Music on Hold per extension. So for extension 1615, I could choose a different Music on Hold options to play for that subscriber. And that concludes our Music on Hold.